Impact windows Kendall are essential for homeowners seeking reliable hurricane protection doors Kendall. These windows are designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, providing safety and peace of mind. With impact windows Kendall and hurricane protection doors Kendall, you can ensure your home is secure during hurricane season. Window installation services Kendall offer a wide range of options, including energy-efficient windows Kendall and custom windows Kendall. These services ensure that your windows are installed correctly, maximizing their performance and longevity. Professional window installation services Kendall and hurricane protection doors Kendall guarantee that your home is well protected and energy efficient. Hurricane shutters Kendall are a crucial addition to any home in hurricane-prone areas. These shutters provide an extra layer of protection against strong winds and flying debris. By installing hurricane shutters Kendall and hurricane protection doors Kendall, you can safeguard your property and reduce the risk of damage during storms. Sliding glass doors Kendall are a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces. These doors offer easy access to outdoor areas while maintaining security and energy efficiency. Sliding glass doors Kendall, paired with hurricane protection doors Kendall, are available in various styles and materials to suit any home design. Window installation Kendall is essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. Whether it's fixing a broken pane or addressing issues with window hardware Kendall, timely window installation Kendall and hurricane protection doors Kendall can prevent further damage and extend the life of your windows and doors. Energy-efficient windows Kendall are an excellent investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. These windows help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature by minimizing heat transfer. By choosing energy-efficient windows Kendall and hurricane protection doors Kendall, you can enjoy lower utility bills and a more sustainable, secure home. Custom windows Kendall allow homeowners to personalize their window designs to match their unique style and preferences. With a variety of shapes, sizes, and materials available, custom windows Kendall and hurricane protection doors Kendall can enhance both the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your home. Window sealing Kendall is crucial for preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Proper window sealing Kendall and hurricane protection doors Kendall ensure that your home remains airtight, reducing energy loss and enhancing indoor comfort. Regular window maintenance Kendall, including sealing, can significantly impact your home's performance and resilience. Glass replacement Kendall is necessary when windows are damaged or outdated. Replacing old or broken glass can improve the appearance and efficiency of your home. Glass replacement Kendall and hurricane protection doors Kendall services offer a range of options, including insulated glass Kendall and double-pane windows Kendall, to enhance your home's safety and efficiency. Window upgrades Kendall can transform the look and performance of your home. Upgrading to weatherproof windows Kendall, security windows Kendall, and hurricane protection doors Kendall provides added protection and peace of mind. Window upgrades Kendall are a smart investment for any homeowner looking to improve property value and safety. Weatherproof windows Kendall are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, providing long-lasting protection for your home. These windows, combined with hurricane protection doors Kendall, are ideal for areas prone to extreme weather, ensuring your home remains safe and secure. Weatherproof windows Kendall offer durability and reliability in any climate. Double-pane windows Kendall are an excellent choice for improving energy efficiency and noise reduction. These windows feature 2 layers of glass with an insulating layer in between, providing superior thermal performance. Double-pane windows Kendall and hurricane protection doors Kendall are a popular combination for homeowners seeking comfort, safety, and savings. Looking for top-notch window installation services Kendall? Our expert team specializes in residential window replacement Kendall, ensuring your home is equipped with the best impact windows Kendall and hurricane protection doors Kendall. Whether you need custom windows Kendall or energy-efficient windows Kendall, we provide comprehensive solutions tailored to your needs. Our window installation services Kendall guarantee durability and style, enhancing your home's value and security. Upgrade your home with our premium hurricane protection doors Kendall. Our storm doors Kendall and hurricane shutters Kendall are designed to withstand the toughest weather conditions, providing peace of mind during hurricane season. With our weatherproof windows Kendall and double pane windows Kendall, you can enjoy enhanced insulation and energy savings. Trust our door installation and window upgrades Kendall for superior protection and performance. For those in need of window installation Kendall, our skilled technicians offer prompt and reliable services. From glass replacement Kendall to window sealing Kendall, we ensure your home is in top condition. Our window maintenance Kendall services include window caulking Kendall, window hardware Kendall, and hurricane protection doors Kendall, keeping your home functional, secure, and efficient. Enhance your home's aesthetics with our sliding glass doors Kendall and glass doors Kendall. Our entry doors Kendall, door replacement Kendall, and hurricane protection doors Kendall services offer a wide range of styles and finishes to complement your home's design. With our window tinting Kendall and window screens Kendall, you can enjoy privacy and UV protection. Our security windows Kendall and insulated glass Kendall provide added safety and comfort for your family. Our custom windows Kendall and window frames Kendall are crafted to meet your specific requirements. Whether you're looking for insulated glass Kendall, security windows Kendall, or hurricane protection doors Kendall, we have the expertise to deliver exceptional results. Our window caulking Kendall and window sealing Kendall services ensure airtight installations, reducing energy costs and enhancing comfort. Trust our team for all your window and door needs in Kendall.